So, you know how as a student you get a syllabus for this class, for that class. Every syllabus has its own deadlines and all of that. So, this is an example of a syllabus that I have for my global economy class. And what I did is entered all of these important dates into my calendar. Oh my God, he's sharing his personal calendar. Yeah, I guess I am, but whatever. So that way I know what's gonna happen when, and it helps me with planning. If nothing else, it helps me to know that, oh my goodness, in the month of November, for example, on November 2nd, I'm gonna have a midterm and actually a homework scheduled for this day. I don't want to shoot myself in the leg. Let me not schedule something for the day before a midterm for another exam. It's very, very important to do this, I think. You'll be really happy you did it.